Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Shopify store password step by step clearly. If you need to reset your Shopify store password, follow these simple steps. Open your web browser and go to the Shopify login page. Locate the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a new page asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. After entering your email, click the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for a message from Shopify. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the Reset Password link. Click on the Reset Password link provided in the email. You will be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the provided fields. Make sure your new password meets Shopify's security requirements. Once you've confirmed your new password, click on the Reset Password button. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your password has been successfully reset. You can now return to the Shopify login page. Enter your email and your new password to log in. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Shopify store password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.